everyone, I hope you're doing well. If you are new watching my videos, I'm Jackie. Thank you so much for being here. So today I'm doing this festival Coachella inspired look, and yeah, I know Coachella is coming up pretty soon, so I decided to create a look for the occasion. So I wanted to do something fun, something girly, so I went in with a pink glittery liner and pink lips. I applied some falsies today. Recently I haven't been applying false lashes on my looks, so today I decided to go with a simple pair because I wanted the liner to peek through. And yeah, so I hope you guys like what I came up with. Like I said, I wanted to do something wearable but still fun and pretty. In my opinion, Coachella is all about accessories, so I went a little bit heavy with my curls today. I did a couple of braids and I had some strings laying around the house, so I decided to incorporate them into the braids. And I have these fun earrings that I haven't gotten the chance to wear them, and I thought it was perfect for this look. And I layered up a couple of necklaces. So I went with this cute top from Zara, and it has these beautiful details all over, so I thought it would be perfect for this look. So if you guys want to see how I did this look, stay with me and let's get started. Alright guys, so I'm priming my eyes with the NYX HD Studio Photogenic concealer. Okay, so once I've blended that concealer, I'm going with a tiny bit of this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and once again I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. So to lock that in place, I'm going with my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and I go with a decent amount. So I'm gonna work with my Carli Bybel palette, and I'm going with very minimal eyeshadow today. I just want the wing to be like the statement of this whole look. So what I want to do is just kind of contour my eyes just to give me a little bit of dimension, but that's all that I want to do today. So I'm gonna go with this like taupey color here. Which one is it? This one right here. I usually go with like an orangey color, but today I'm going with more taupey brownish shades. So I'm just gonna work that on the lid back and forth like so. It doesn't have to be perfect at all. So I just moved you in a little bit closer so you guys can see what I'm doing here with my eye makeup. So right now I'm doing the same thing, just blending this shade here. I really want it to look very seamless. Okay, I think I want to go with a darker color now. So with a smaller brush, I'm going to dive into this beautiful brown color from the 35W palette. Alright, so I'm at the intensity that I want with this brown color here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to that first color I used, and I'm just going to go over my lid with this color. So I love this brush for packing eyeshadow. It is the Beige Cosmetics number 24 brush. It's absolutely beautiful. So I have got this pink glitter here, and I think it would look amazing as a wing. So I'm going to first trace the wing with this concealer, the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just going to go and apply some here in the back of my hand. That is way too much. I'm going to go in and just do a normal wing with this concealer. So I'm going with a thicker wing than usual, just because I want that to stand out. So I'm just gonna start filling in this area. Alright, so now I'm gonna just grab the glitter. And I'm gonna take this flat brush that I have. And just, I'm gonna start packing it all over. Before the concealer dries. Like so. We're gonna do the same thing in the other eye. I'm just gonna take this off. Oh. So I'm just gonna take that off. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my primer. Today I'm using the Mercier primer. And warm it up with my fingers. And I'm just gonna rub this all over. So now I'm just going in with my Origins eye cream. Today I think I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild foundation. Alright, so I have my foundation on and I'm gonna blend it, but I am going to add this highlighter from Essence. I think for this event, like this Coachella festival, because it's held outside, you do want a little bit of a dewiness on your skin, on your face, but you don't want like an oily type of look. So I'm gonna apply this in the highest points of my face. So over here, and I'm gonna blend that with my foundation, and that's just going to give me a very nice glow. So I'm gonna take my beauty sponge and blend that into the skin. So as I was saying, I am going to powder, but I'm mainly going to focus that on the T-zone. I'm going with this highlighter obviously because I want more of like a dewy finish. But if I were to powder my whole face, applying this highlighter would be useless. You don't want that. So I have makeup all over my hair. Foundation. So now I'm going to contour, and I'm gonna use two products. First, I'm gonna use this foundation and concealer palette from Beige Cosmetics. I believe they have a new edition, and I'm gonna use these two shades here. They are more in the ashy tone, so I'm gonna try to sculpt and contour with this. And then I'm going to bronze my skin with this LA Girl Pro Concealer. So I'm going to go with a flat brush. I'm going to use this brush from Morphe, which is perfect to kind of contour. Contour with this. So I'm going to go in with this shade, these two shades first. And I'm gonna apply my bronzer just above that. So that's good. And I'm just gonna blend it with my beauty sponge. And I'm also contouring the jawline. To bronze up the skin, I'm going with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toast. So I'm going above that first shade I applied and kind of start blending it with my finger first. And with this color, I'm going upwards like so. I'm gonna apply a bit more. And then I'm gonna go with my beauty blender and start blending that into the skin. Okay, and now I'm going on the hairline here and blend that in. Alright guys, so I finished my contour and I really look like I have a nice tan, which is nice. I did my eyebrows as well and I used the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit. This is in the color 4. So I'm going to apply my favorite concealer. You guys know this is my go-to concealer to cancel all of those unwanted undertones. So I'm just gonna blend it all in with my finger all the way up. I do have to be careful because I don't want to mess up my wing. So I'm actually gonna bring it down here on the sides of my nose and a little bit in here too, just in this corner. So to highlight my face, I'm going with my Kat Von D Lock It Concealer. And this, I go right down the bridge of my nose, the forehead, Cupid's bow, and a little bit here on my chin. So I'm just gonna grab my beauty blender and blend that. And I'm gonna blend with my finger this area here, just because I want it to melt nicely into the skin. So I'm gonna grab my Laura Mercier powder to set my concealer in place. Just want to make sure that I don't have any creases going on, which is so annoying. I think I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and set that area. So I'm literally stopping here because I do want to go with a liquid highlighter. So I'm just focusing that powder right there for now. And I'm stopping right there because I want to go in with my liquid highlighter. Okay, so before I apply my mascara, I'm just going with a little bit of this brown eyeshadow on the lower lash line. So now I'm going in with my mascara. Alright, so lashes are on. So I'm just going to finish up the face. I'm just going to add a little bit of this highlighter. Woo! I went way overboard with that. Tip of the nose. And I'm going to try to blend it with my finger, but I think I went crazy with this highlighter. think I went too much, so I'm just gonna grab my beauty blender, just blend that. Just try to blend this into the skin. Blend it with my finger. So now I'm gonna powder my face with the Laura Mercier powder. So I'm going over areas where I get oily. I tend to get oily. So right here in the middle of my forehead, I'm not going to apply powder because over here, because I just went with a highlighter, and that's just going to cancel all that out. A little bit on the chin. And right here on the sides of my nose. I didn't apply powder there. I mean highlighter there. I'm gonna go with my favorite brush. I always use this to kind of bronze the skin. So I'm just gonna remove the excess and just go right in. So basically in all of the areas that I have applied that contour, always go down the neck, very important. In here on the sides and on the hairline. I'm going with a little bit of blush, and I'm using this beautiful color from Milani. I used this in my last tutorial too. I just love this blush. I'm going with this matte lipstick from Essence in the color 1, which is matte, matte, matte. And I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this shade here. I'm just gonna apply this gloss on top, which is from Essence as well. And this is in the color Happiness in a Bottle. Alright guys, so that completes this Coachella inspired makeup look. I hope you liked the video. Thank you so much for watching till the end. And yeah, don't forget to leave me your comments down in the comment section below. So thank you again for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Mwah.